Hello and welcome to this Black Friday, November 27th, and you can see temperatures out there in the upper 30s to low 40s across the northern areas where the cold fronts move through, but still pretty balmy warm down in southeast lower Michigan. Overnight lows were in the low to mid 50s, so very warm even for central Michigan overnight, but you can see our temperatures are falling now, and we forecasted about 6/10 to 1.1 inches of rain, and you can see in blue here 8/10 over at Henderson, 7/10 at Middleton's, about 2/3 of an inch at Breckenridge, 1.5 inches, however, at Newaygo, beating that forecast. Southeast lower Michigan now getting the rain, and you can see again almost 8/10 at Brown City and 2/3 at Marlette. So 6 of the 12 stations within that forecast range, and 1 or 2 more are likely as the rain continues across southeast lower Michigan. I think we'll see a couple of these locations probably make that 0.6 forecast range, so not too bad. And as far as the weekend goes, we're going to be quite a bit cooler here over the next couple of days with highs in the weekend between the mid-30s to low 40s. So certainly a cooler weather pattern moving in. And then we'll have another chance of some rain early next week that'll probably mix with change of snow. Right now we expect we could see some light accumulations as we get into early next week, but still plenty of time to look at that system. If we look at the next slide shot, you can see from Jasper right now. This morning you can see quite a bit of rainfall now beginning to fall there, puddling up pretty fast. They've received about 3/10 of an inch of rain as of about 10:30 this morning. And you can see now that the cold front is now pushing into the state, all but southeast lower Michigan now experiencing winds out of the north-northwest, bringing that colder air into the region. And you can see on radar the heaviest concentration of showers have now shifted off into southeast lower Michigan and over into southwest Ontario, where again, I think those areas will catch up and get close to that 6/10 of an inch of rainfall, as we expect most areas will. You can see on the weather map by 1 o'clock today, the low will be over in, near the London, Ontario area, between there and St. Thomas, heading to the northeast, cold front pushing south through the area. And again, on the very tail end of the precipitation event, we could see some sleet or maybe some wet snowflakes. Again, don't expect much in the way of any accumulation, but certainly enough to know that colder air has arrived. And if we put the map into motion to Sunday morning, you can see that cold front will have really picked up steam and headed off to the south as another low pressure develops, but that'll stay well to our south. And then we'll watch another low pressure move out of the plains towards the Great Lakes. That one will have a little more cold air to work with. We'll start off with probably some cold rain, and then we change over to some snow showers for about 24 hours. As far as precipitation here over the next 3 days, you can see the bulk of precipitation will be across southeast lower Michigan from this event we're currently in. And then I think just minor amounts of precipitation as we get into early next week, and that would be in the form of some rain and snow. As far as the 6 to 10 and the 8 to 14 day outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center, or rather the WPC, you can see warmer and drier than normal in the 6 to 10, and the 8 to 14 day places the highest probabilities of above normal temperatures across the upper Midwest into the Great Lakes, with the driest of air in that same area. So a pretty nice pattern shaping up here over the next couple of weeks. We expect between the 10th of December and the 25th of December, a little bit lagging behind what we thought it would be, but it could be a pretty active period as we approach Christmas, and I think we'll have a much better chance of seeing more in the way of snowfall at that time. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, a great Thanksgiving Day weekend, and 73s to all.